Technology and solutions for social issues. Technology has had a significant impact on our society, transforming the way we live, work, and communicate. It has also enabled new solutions to some of the most pressing social issues facing our world today. In this article, we will explore some of the ways technology is being used to address social issues and create a more equitable and sustainable future. Education. Technology has revolutionized education, making it more accessible and affordable for people around the world. With the rise of online learning platforms, mobile apps, and other technologies, people can now access educational resources and opportunities regardless of their location or financial situation. This has created new opportunities for lifelong learning and skill development, leading to a more educated and empowered society. Healthcare. Technology has also transformed healthcare, improving access to care, reducing costs, and improving health outcomes. With the use of telemedicine, remote patient monitoring, and other technologies, healthcare providers can now deliver care more efficiently and effectively, particularly in underserved or remote areas. This has created new opportunities for healthcare access and affordability, leading to a more equitable and sustainable healthcare system. Environment. Technology has also enabled new solutions to environmental issues, such as climate change and pollution. With the use of renewable energy sources, smart grid technologies, and other innovations, we can reduce our carbon footprint and create a more sustainable energy system. Additionally, with the use of sensors and other technologies, we can monitor and track pollution levels, leading to more effective and targeted solutions to environmental problems. Poverty and inequality. Technology has also enabled new solutions to poverty and inequality, particularly in developing countries. With the use of mobile banking, microfinance, and other technologies, people in low-income communities can access financial services and opportunities that were previously unavailable to them. This has created new opportunities for economic empowerment and social mobility, leading to a more equitable and prosperous society. Social justice. Finally, technology has enabled new solutions to social justice issues, such as discrimination and inequality. With the use of social media, data analytics, and other technologies, we can more effectively identify and address systemic biases and injustices. Additionally, with the use of blockchain and other technologies, we can create more transparent and accountable systems for governance and social organization. Disaster response. Technology has also been used to improve disaster response, providing new tools and solutions to rapidly respond to natural disasters and emergencies. With the use of drones, satellite imagery, and other technologies, first responders can more quickly and efficiently assess damage and identify areas in need of assistance. Additionally, with the use of social media and other communication technologies, affected communities can more easily communicate with emergency responders and receive updates on the situation. Mental health. Technology has also enabled new solutions to mental health issues, which are a growing concern worldwide. With the use of mobile apps, teletherapy, and other technologies, people can now access mental health services and support more easily and effectively. Additionally, with the use of data analytics and other technologies, mental health professionals can more effectively identify and diagnose mental health issues, leading to more targeted and effective treatment. Aging population. Technology has also enabled new solutions to the challenges associated with an aging population. With the use of wearable devices, remote monitoring technologies, and other innovations, older adults can now live more independently and safely in their own homes. Additionally, with the use of robotics and other technologies, older adults can receive support with daily tasks and activities, leading to a better quality of life. Food security. Technology has also been used to address food security issues, particularly in developing countries.